By to buy in saran wrap and say hello to these reusable silicone stretch lids. It comes with 14 different lids in 7 different sizes to ensure a good fit on whichever plate, bowl, pot, pan, or can you need to cover. They're super easy to use and ensure an airtight and leak-proof seal. They're also dishwasher safe, and I have them linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you have Amazon Kitchen Gadget. This liquid dispenser will fit on any large drink container, allowing you to dispense water, juice, or milk without having to remove the entire jug out of the fridge. They are super easy to install. Simply remove the original cap off the jug of your choosing and slide in the magic tap dispenser. Now with the push of a button, you can easily pour milk into your cereal bowl or fill a glass of juice in seconds. The cap features a lock on the side to ensure no spills if accidentally bumped, plus they are easy to clean and are reusable. These caps can be a complete game changer if you have small children or for elderly people who struggle with lifting heavy jugs, potentially spilling it everywhere. I have them linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront under the kitchen list. Follow for more.
Does anyone actually use the bread tabs after you take it off for the first time? These clips come in a pack of 8, and they'll actually keep your bread fresher for longer. And if you struggle to open jar lids, you need this in your life. My boyfriend always puts the lids on so freaking tight that I can never get them off myself. This makes it effortless. And with the touch of a button, this automatic can opener turns 360 degrees. It cuts off the entire top of the can, and it magnetically attaches to the top so that way you don't have to touch any metal. Plus, it leaves a smooth edge all the way around so you don't cut yourself.
If you don't like your hand touching the toilet seat to lift the lid, grab these rental-friendly lid lifters. It allows you to lift the seat on the outside instead. And maximize cabinet space in your laundry room or pantry with this gadget. It holds onto laundry room items like dryer sheets or rolls of plastic wrap or aluminum foil in your pantry, keeping your home a little more organized. Utilize the space under your bed or dresser with these shoe and clothing organizers. They can fit up to 20 pairs of shoes and have clear zipper covers to easily find your item quickly. Double the amount of space you have for your shoes with these shoe organizers that utilize vertical space. They work on both closet shelves and shoe racks. And this 360-degree swivel hanger is perfect for organizing hats, belts, handbags, and scarves in your closet with taking up minimal space.
If your kitchen has limited room for pots and pans, this non-stick granite pot and pan set might come in really handy. It comes with a handle that easily clips onto each cookware dish. This set is also oven safe, and the handle can be used in place of an oven mitt. This is a door stopper that you can attach to the bottom of your door, and then it's readily available for whenever you need to use it. Secondly, this is the perfect step stool to use around the house as it's very light and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors.
This is an anti-slip loofah bath mat that massages your feet, works both in and out of the shower, has a non-slip bottom built in, and is water permeable so water drains through it and it's easy to take care of. And these stackable corner shelves maximize your bathroom counter space and also work great in kitchens too. This luggage connector goes underneath your luggage handles and lets you pull multiple pieces of luggage only using one hand. This packing cube instantly turns into portable travel shelves, making it easy to stay organized when packing and unpacking. This silicone toiletry bag is super durable and lightweight to hold any makeup and toiletry items when traveling. And these toiletry skins fit over most full-size bottles, preventing messes and spills in your bag.
Looks like a regular handbag, but it's actually a toiletry bag that's surprisingly really spacious. It comes with a removable bottom pouch, a few containers, and a chain if you want to wear it as a handbag. Second is this toothbrush case that sanitizes your brush using UV light. These universal lids fit practically any sized pot and pan, and I love this lid and spoon holder also because it can hold a lid of any size.
This clutter looks familiar. Grab these slim cabinet organizers that pull and rotate, maximize vertical space, and work in any cabinet in your home, including bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and laundry rooms. And utilize every square inch of kitchen cabinet space with these corner shelves that allow you to easily stack all of your dishes, pots, and pans.
This holder has a built-in cleaner, comes with pods and attention rods. You can tear off sheets, spray, and clean all in one place. This clear cutting board holds firmly in place and is see-through to blend in with your countertop. A calendar that sticks to your fridge and allows you to organize your months and days. This gadget lets you print photos from your phone and place them inside these mini magnets. This gadget dispenses soap with just one squeeze. And if your oven is a mess, this bakeware set comes with 8 different pieces and is perfectly stackable to declutter your kitchen space.
toilets. This fog-resistant mirror and toiletries holder sticks to any smooth surface and is also perfect to take with you on the go. This gadget suctions to tile or glass and holds your favorite coffee, tea, or drink of choice. And this gadget holds your favorite beauty products upside down so you get out every last drop. These shower steamers come in 6 scents and turn your shower into a spa-like experience. This electric scalp massager is perfect for stimulating hair growth and getting a deep clean when washing your hair. And these rental-friendly acrylic hooks work on tile or glass and add a little extra storage to your bathroom. Get a foot massage in your shower with this foot scrubber that includes 2 pumice stones and it contours to your feet. My feet have never been softer and it feels great. This waterproof mat protects your under kitchen sink area from leaks and spills. This stamp comes with an ink protector and perfect for covering info before throwing it away. These multi-purpose silicone mats act as a splatter guard and microwave mat, pan grabber, jar opener, utensil rest, trivet, and are easy to clean. And this cooling sheet set comes in 40 colors, wrinkle resistant, and gets softer as you wash them.
It's time to win my new favorite water bottle. This 40-ounce insulated Owala water bottle has a 2-in-1 lid. And I got 2 so I could give 1 away to you. Visit the caption for details. Be sure to like and follow for more.
First are these cute brush covers to protect the brushes during travel. Second is this organizer that unfolds into hanging shelves with everything you need ready to go. And when not in use, it folds down to 1/10 of its size. This is a travel brush set that contains a big retractable foundation brush and 3 eyeshadow brushes. It also comes in a pack of 2. Second is this small bottle that allows you to pump out any of your favorite perfume into a travel size that's perfect for your carry-on. Amazon living room favorites. First is this tray that clips onto the armrest of the sofa. It's very sturdy and impressively spacious. Second is this decorative box that allows you to hide anything that's laying around, and it comes in a bunch of different sizes. Work of art is a knife block for the kitchen drawer. It can hold up to 16 knives no matter what their shape or sizes, and it leaves plenty of room for other things in that drawer. Foldable storage bins are great having in your car for groceries. They also come with lids so they can be used as storage or side tables for your home. Lastly, they're perfect as picnic tables or for camping. Under the cabinet baskets that add a good amount of additional storage. They can also be flipped upside down to create cabinet shelves. Secondly are these awesome tea organizers, which can be stacked horizontally or vertically. Amazon laundry room favorites. If you always have socks that go missing in the laundry, you need these sock snaps. All you do is install the corresponding snap to each sock, and then every time you do the laundry, you just snap them together. The socks fold together very nicely, and when you put them on, you don't feel the snaps at all. Amazon favorites on Slick Deals. I found this multi-purpose mat that works great as a jar opener, a trivet, and a microwave pad on the Slick Deals app in the under $10 deal section. I also finally purchased my first Alexa for a whole $10 thanks to Slick Deals, and I already see more deals on there that I want to take advantage of. This is the sparkle machine that makes delicious fizzy drinks without the need of a CO2 tank. All you need for it is water and these carbonator packets that come in a pack of 10 with this machine. What I love about it too is that it comes with a ton of recipe ideas on how to use fresh fruit, teas, herbs, and juices instead of syrups. It also has 5 carbonation levels. This gym bag not only has a spacious dry pocket and a wet pocket for your workout clothes, but it also has a shoe compartment and these straps to hold a yoga mat. You can also slide it onto a suitcase, making it the perfect weekender bag as well. The world's thinnest suitcase. It opens up from just 2 inches in width to 21-inch carry-on. The middle part is made up of waterproof material, and it's great if you don't have much space for a suitcase. It fully backs up your phone onto a mini SD card every time you charge your phone. I love how I don't have to pay for a subscription and have quick and easy access to all of my backed up videos and photos. They have a USB-A and a USB-C version, and they're really easy to contact from within the app.
रूठे तो रूठे ये सारा जमाना इश्क चुनरिया ओढ़ के दिल में
you don't have enough room for your stationery, you might need this under desk drawer. It has a 2-tier design with a removable shelf, and it stays nicely hidden under the desk. And this awesome cable wrangler magnetically holds all of my cables when they're not in use. Otherwise, the cables tend to slide off my desk.